Hey yo, what's going on everybody? This is David and today we are going to be checking out my ultimate budget minimalist setup. So everything you see in this video is going to be budget conscious. That means I bought everything either used or on a discount, or I bought the things that you see in this video with a budget in mind. Nothing here is overpriced or too expensive or anything like that. In fact, the whole setup that you see in this video does not go over $2,000. So let's go ahead and start out with the gaming consoles that I have. On the left here, we have a PlayStation 5, which I got brand new. I got it for like 450 bucks. And the PlayStation 5 is the one I play on the most because it has really good exclusives and it records gameplay automatically, and it's really easy to save that gameplay. Whereas the Xbox Series X, you have to manually record gameplay and you have to record it on an external drive. So it's a little bit harder to record gameplay, but I still do play games on it as well. Game Pass is really nice because it gives you a lot of games for a monthly fee, and there are some really nice Xbox exclusives that are coming out as well. And I got the Xbox Series X for $350 used as well. So I got a pretty good deal on it. And the consoles are on a lack stand from IKEA. And this is like a little coffee table. It costs like $7 or $8 in IKEA. Super cheap, super easy to assemble, but it looks really clean and it's a perfect stand for my consoles as well. Also very easy to clean. Just lift up the consoles, clean the top of all the dust, and that's it. On the bottom is the charging dock for my PlayStation 5. I don't have one for my Xbox Series X yet, but I'll probably get one in the future. I just use rechargeable batteries. For my audio setup, I've got a Fosi Audio K5. This is a headphone DAC that also has a microphone input, so I can record my gameplays with my microphone on my headphones, and also I can talk to other people in multiplayer games with much higher quality than the included PlayStation 5 microphone. For my headphones, I have the Sennheiser PC37X. These are actually open back headphones, so you can hear what is going on outside, but I kind of like that because sometimes if my wife calls me or somebody knocks at the door, I can hear what's going on. And also it kind of gives a nice open, airy feeling to the audio, almost like you're not even listening to headphones. So I prefer the open back design of these headphones. And also this one has an included microphone, which sounds pretty nice as well. For my speaker setup, I've got the Harman Kardon SoundSticks 3. I just really like the design of these. They've got 4 drivers for each of the speakers, and it's got this like cool transparent design to it. The sound quality is absolutely amazing. It sounds super clear, super detailed, and almost sounds better than my Clips soundbar. The sound is just so crispy, so detailed. I really love the sound signature of these speakers, and I actually bought them from somebody that just never used them. They were already in the box, sealed up, and I bought them for like $100. So I think I got a pretty good deal on them, and I definitely recommend these if you're looking for some good PC speakers. Going to the main show here, this is the LG BX. I got this used for $600 and it's in pretty much mint condition. It looks fantastic. And if you don't know what kind of screen this is an OLED screen, which gives you amazing deep blacks and amazing colors. The HDR on this screen is mind-blowing. Every time I play a game on this or watch a movie or anything, I'm just amazed at the incredible image quality. Now, it doesn't get as bright as some mini LED TVs out there, but to be honest, when I turn off all the lights and I sit in my room playing a game, it's already bright enough. It's already making me squint my eyes when the HDR is on, so I don't really need that crazy, high 1500 nit screen that mini LEDs provide. I'm perfectly happy with how bright this screen gets, and I have had absolutely no issues with burn-in whatsoever. I've used this thing as a PC monitor. I've used it for countless hours for video games, watching movies, TV shows, whatever. It doesn't matter. There's not a single sign of burn-in or image retention on this screen. So if you're holding back on getting an OLED, I recommend at least getting one used because I got this for $600 and it's been absolutely great for me. All right, for the desk, we have an IKEA desk. I think this is called Aldo or Aldi or something like that. I forgot exactly the name of this desk, but it literally costs with the legs no more than like 50 bucks. So it's a great desk for somebody that doesn't want to spend a lot of money on a desk and wants a desk that looks modern and clean, just like this one. Super easy to assemble. All you got to do is like screw in the legs and that's it. Like it's that simple and it looks amazing. The only thing that is not good about it is if you have like studio monitors, the desk can actually resonate those studio monitors quite a lot because it's not a solid desk, it's a hollow desk. So if you have studio monitors that have a lot of bass in the speakers themselves, this is not the best desk to get. I would recommend getting a setup like I have where the speakers don't make any bass at all. All the bass is subjected to the subwoofer itself. And then finally at the bottom is my keyboard and mouse setup with this little pull-out desk. I'll have the link for this in the description below. I don't know the brand name of this. I think it's like some off-brand from Amazon, but it is a very fantastic pull-out desk and it allows me to sit a little bit further from my giant screen when I'm using a keyboard and mouse. So definitely recommend getting something like this if you don't want to sit too close to your screen. And then at the bottom, I have an APC battery surge protector unit. So this thing, if you don't know, is kind of like a backup for your electronic devices if your power goes out in your home. I live here in Florida. We have a lot of lightning strikes, and when the lightning hits, you'll have like this sudden surge of your power going down and then it'll go right back up, but all your electronics will just go down for a split second. So when you're playing a game or whatever, it'll just all crash. If you have a power surge and your PlayStation 5 goes down while it's in rest mode or while you're playing a game and it boots up again, it has to kind of like search the hard drive and try to like recover whatever was lost or whatever. It's really not good for a PlayStation 5, not recommended to have any power surges or anything like that. So I got this kind of for my PlayStation 5 initially, just so I don't have any issues. But I also connected my TV to it and my Xbox to it as well, just to not have any issues. And it totally works. I've had a few power surges already, and my PlayStation 5 has been totally fine. It has not powered down at all. It's been just going. So definitely recommend getting something like this. Doesn't cost a lot of money, but it's a good protection for your electronic devices, especially if you have a lot of power surges. But other than that, that's all I gotta say. Thank you guys for watching this video. Go to like, subscribe, and let me know what you think of the setup. Have a great day.